What is meditation? As soon as we hear this word, meditation, the picture of sadhus, or monks, standing on a leg, or sitting undisturbed, in Himalayas, reflects in our mind. But this is not true. Meditation is a misunderstood concept by many of us. Meditation has been in this world since thousands of years, but still, the meaning is not clear in our mind. Today let's clear this misconception. Meditation is not only for monks, but also for common people like us. Meditation, if done in proper way, can show benefits and miracles to any one of us. Before we start, let us do an activity. Okay, for the next 10 seconds, do not bring any thoughts in your head. Okay, now that you have completed the task, many of you had some thoughts in your head. Like, when will this video start again, or, what am I going to conclude from this task, etc., etc. Am I right? Here we come to the second task that you have to do. Write down all the thoughts that you had onto a page, dividing it into negative and positive thoughts. Negative as in non-constructive thoughts, and positive in the sense of constructive thoughts. Now, you will see that most of your thoughts will be non-constructive. These thoughts will have a direct impact on your feelings. But everyone watching this video will have similar such thoughts, unless you are meditating. So, don't worry, I am here to help you. This brings us back to our main important question. What is meditation? Okay, I will answer this in simple words. Meditation is all about focusing on your breath. Remember, during our exams, our parents used to tell us that. Be calm. You will remember everything, what you have studied. Or some of the school-going children are still hearing this. This is one of the applications of meditation. There are many types of meditation, such as breathing meditation, mantra meditation, guided meditation, etc., etc. We will discuss possibly all types of the meditations in next upcoming videos. But all of these meditations do one thing in common: they decrease the amount of negative thoughts, or rather, the speed of the thoughts entering our mind. Now you will say, no thoughts means no innovative ideas, nothing. But it is not like that. I said, no thoughts at that particular moment, which will help you focus on the present work that you are doing. For example, you are now watching this video. By meditation, no thoughts will enter your mind, other than the positive outcome from this video. These positive outcomes will be the learnings, and not the other random thoughts. So, meditation is very much important. This will also help you during your 9-to-5 job, as you need a lot of concentration there. Not only that, but also you will finish your job faster than others. I personally have experienced the change in my life, which motivated me to create this video. I very much urge you to do meditation and experience positive change in your life. For students, meditation is very important, and must recommended, as students get distracted quickly towards the new technology. Not only that, but, students being good learners, students will make it a habit very quickly. Always remember that, where there is distraction, meditation will always help you a lot. Meditation will not carry you to another world, but it will reveal the most profound and awesome dimensions of the world, in which you already live. Meditation is like a gym, in which you develop the powerful mental muscles of calm and insight. Now, let us throw light on the physical changes in our body due to meditation. It improves self-esteem and self-awareness. Mindful meditation encourages you to slow down, allows you for deeper self-reflection, and help you discover positive qualities or element about yourself. Mindful meditation can also lower the levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, which helps you feel more relaxed. Repeating a mantra, such as a word or phrase, during meditation can also have a calming effect, and by concentrating on your mantra, you're able to shift your focus away from distraction. Transcendental meditation has a similar effect, in which you silently repeat a word or sound to keep yourself focused, and as a result you're able to reach a state of complete stability. Researchers used stress scales to measure the participants' levels of burnout, depression, and stress. After transcendental meditation, twice a day for 15 to 20 minutes over the course of 4 months, the stress levels were lowered. Meditation can alter the brain receptors associated with drug and alcohol addiction, which may reduce cravings for these substances. In short, meditation helps reduce addiction. Meditation can also control pain. Many doctors recommend mindful meditation practices as part of a comprehensive pain management plan. Mindful meditation makes you more kind and loving. It strengthens circuits in the brain that pick up on other people's emotions, promotes selfless behavior, and decreases the unconscious bias responsible for perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Meditation can have many health benefits, from physical to mental and emotional. If you'd like to improve your focus, reduce stress, or deal with addiction, depression, or chronic pain, you should give it a try and see if it's right for you. I will list down all the benefits in the description down below. And also, I will be uploading many videos of transcendental meditation. Also many animation videos explaining types of meditation and the best ways to perform those. Don't worry, I will completely guide you in your progress, and if you follow it by dedication, you will surely achieve your dreams. I know, you will still have many doubts in your mind. And, as I promised you to tell you about every basics of meditation, I will cover those questions in this video. If you still have any doubt, make use of that comment section, write down all your doubts there. I will surely reply you there. Or if there are many doubts, I will make a separate video to explain you. Where should we meditate? We can meditate wherever we want to. Lying on the bed, sitting on the floor, or also on the chair. But the most recommended is to sit on your knees crossed, with your back straight but relaxed. This keeps you awake and aware for long period of time. Now, the most asked question is, for how long to meditate? Look, I started with 5 minutes. And then periodically went on increasing it. So, I will suggest, for beginners, start with 3 to 5 minutes. And once you get used to it, go on increasing it till 25 to 30 minutes, daily. Remember to stretch your body when you start and end the meditation session. It keeps your body relaxed. Everything now I guided you was from my personal experience. If you want more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends, family, everyone. Like this video, and don't forget to comment down what next should I bring to you. I will upload such animation videos every Sunday. And the transcendental meditation music every day. Read the description of this video, I have explained everything there.